Your appliance is broken and you need repair. How do you know you're not being taken advantage of? In this video, you'll learn how to know you're being treated fairly. Stay to the end, and I'll reveal what the average repair cost of every major appliance and tell you when you should repair or replace the appliance. I want to thank TF from San Francisco for the inspiration behind this video. He wrote this recent 1-star review of our service despite never actually having a service call from us. He calls us the Sleaziest Company of the Year award. Interesting guy. We'll get to our $99 charge and why most qualified electricians, plumbers, and tradespeople now charge. First, let's go over how service rates are calculated in the appliance industry. Appliance services depend on the company. We've tried them all. We finally settled on the Appliance Repair Blue Book. It calculates the average cost of repair throughout New England based on a completed service call. That's a critical distinction, so you don't pay for a return visit. You're priced by the average cost of fixing that refrigerator, including parts. It's the fastest, most transparent way of performing service. Sorry, TF. It's hard to give an estimate because often we don't know what the problem actually is. Many times it's adjustments or simple repairs. So what does it cost to repair an appliance? And that all depends. Here are the average repair costs for the different categories in the service calls for the last few months, excluding the $99 trip fee that we'll go into a bit later. Most service people, plumbers, and electricians now charge into your home. Here's why we charge it, and it also covers running a van or a warehouse for parts, insurance in the call center for taking the call. We also warranty that part for 5 years, not 90 days, like most of the companies. We'll give you a $50 voucher for a new appliance if the machine is unfixable or the repair is too high. Now, the availability of parts has become much harder over the last 7 years, especially after 2020. Many repairs are inexpensive, so you should look to repair within 7 years. Some people like to repair their old, reliable appliances. Just be mindful, old appliances like refrigerators and freezers use a ton of energy. You could save $10 to $20 a month just on electricity by replacing that basement refrigerator. As a general guideline, the total cost of repair should not exceed 35% of what it would cost to buy a new appliance. That's it for service. If you're thinking of buying a new appliance, click this link for 10 questions to ask your salesperson.